Hello and welcome to the Potential Difference Research Lab. My name is Thane Hines and I'm the President and CEO of Alnod Ontario Clean Tech Research and Development Company. Our company has developed the ReGenX Generator and the ReGenX Quantum Motor. And this video is being prepared for Her Excellency, the Governor General of Canada. And this video is an introduction to the ReGenX Quantum Motor and the ReGenX Generator and a new law of physics called the Law of Creation of Energy. And what I'm going to be doing in this demonstration is I'm going to be operating the ReGenX generator, and I'm going to be generating about 90 watts of electricity to our battery in the back. And the ReGenX generator differs from conventional electric generators in that it does not require any mechanical input power when it's generating electricity. In fact, the ReGenX generator, when it's generating electricity, increases the kinetic energy of the system. So what the ReGenX generator does is it harnesses subatomic electron energy that is, it's basically created at the subatomic level, and the ReGenX generator harnesses subatomic electromagnetic field energy, and it uses that energy to increase the kinetic energy of the system and also to generate electricity without any mechanical input power. So I'm going to demonstrate the ReGenX generator and then the ReGenX Quantum Motor, which is the world's first electric motor that harnesses, again, it harnesses created subatomic electron energy, and it uses that energy to increase the kinetic energy of the system without requiring any externally supplied input energy. So every electric motor on the planet today requires input energy in order to perform positive work, in order to increase the kinetic energy of the system. The ReGenX Quantum Motor, on the other hand, does not require any externally supplied input power to the motor when it's performing positive work and increasing the kinetic energy of the system. So the ReGenX Quantum Motor harnesses created subatomic electron energy, and it uses that energy to perform positive work, and the ReGenX Quantum Motor operates at infinite efficiency. And the ReGenX generator also harnesses subatomic created electron energy to also perform positive work and to generate electricity without any mechanical input power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up the system and bring it up to speed, and then I'll do a quick little demo of how the ReGenX generator operates and then the ReGenX Quantum Motor. So this here is the input that we're supplying from the generator to the battery. So currently our system is on no load. It's at rotational equilibrium, and we're going to deliver power to the battery, about 90 watts, and we're not going to require any additional mechanical input power to the generator. So currently our generator is delivering about 90 watts to the battery. The generator is operating at infinite efficiency and is harnessing created subatomic electron energy in order to increase the kinetic energy of the system by about 70 joules. So we're back on no load again, and with a conventional electric generator, if you want to deliver 90 watts of electric output power to a load, you must increase the input energy to the prime mover. And with the ReGenX generator, no increase in input power to the prime mover is required. As we can see, when the ReGenX generator is placed on load, the input requirement to the prime mover goes down instead of up. This means that the ReGenX generator is operating at infinite efficiency. It's delivering electric output power, but it requires no mechanical input power to be supplied to it from the prime mover. So we're at rotational equilibrium again, and I'm going to demonstrate the ReGenX quantum motor, which is going to increase the kinetic energy of the system by about 150 joules. And in order to increase the kinetic energy of the system by 150 joules, we need to supply 150 joules of energy to the system. However, we are not supplying external energy to the system. We are harnessing the subatomic created electromagnetic field energy as the new sustainable energy source to allow the quantum motor to perform its work. So the ReGenX quantum motor has increased the speed of the system. The ReGenX quantum motor is performing positive work. It's operating at infinite efficiency, meaning that no externally supplied input energy is required, and the ReGenX quantum motor is subatomic electromagnetic field energy. So once again, our system is at rotational equilibrium. The prime mover is rotating the system at rotational equilibrium, and the prime mover currently requires 638 watts to establish rotational equilibrium. Newton's first law and the work energy principle both state that in order to increase the kinetic energy of the system, the power that's being consumed by the prime mover must go up. And what you will see is that the input energy to the prime mover goes down. So the input energy to the prime mover goes down by almost 200 watts. We're performing about 150 joules of kinetic energy increase. We are harnessing 150 joules of created subatomic electron energy, and our quantum motor is performing work without externally supplied energy. So this video is being sent to the Governor General of Canada with a request to attend a demonstration of the ReGenX quantum motor, which is the world's first electric motor that performs work without externally supplied energy. And the ReGenX quantum motor operates at infinite efficiency when it's performing work. And the ReGenX generator, which is the world's first electric generator that generates electricity, but it also operates at infinite efficiency and harnesses the subatomic electron energy in order to allow it to generate electricity at infinite efficiency. The new law of physics that our company is introducing, the law of creation of energy, and the subatomic electron energy that we are identifying with our technology, is a new form of sustainable, clean energy that is constantly being created at the subatomic level. And what we're hoping is that on November 5th, the Governor General will grace us with her presence and allow us to demonstrate the technology, the new law of physics, the law of creation of energy, and the new source of sustainable, clean energy that allows all electricity to be generated without mechanical input power, and for electric motors to perform work without electric input power. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. And cheers for now.